Clayton at Lightset Wholesale. One of the questions we get for typically from new installers is, what's the common length, or what's the recommended length of ladders, and how many should I have? There's a couple different applications. Our recommendation is to have varying heights. We have a 7-foot A-frame ladder here. It's used for tighter spots, roof lines that might be a little lower, places where you might have shrubs and you need to fold it up and just scale a little bit to get to the next spot. They're great for porches and those type of applications. This ladder over here is a multi-purpose. It'll extend, fold into an A-frame, really kind of do about anything you need to. It's 20 feet in length. It's adjustable. My recommendation is get a 20 to 24 foot extension ladder with adjustable feet. The feet on this ladder are stationary. If you are trying to climb on a slope or around or on any obstacles, you've got some uneven pavement, you've got some pavers or rocks or whatever it is that you're trying to place that ladder, adjustable legs come on several ladders. Those are awesome. They make use of the uneven pavement, the sloping sidewalks, the sloping side yards, whatever it is. Great application. But a good 20 to 24 foot extension ladder with adjustable feet are a great multi-purpose ladder for basic installs. You may need to eventually acquire up to a 32 or more foot extension ladder for taller roofs, 2 stories, those type of things. But a good all-around ladder is 20 to 24 feet with adjustable feet. Have an A-frame available and maybe 1 or 2 others of your favorite heights, but probably 2 to 3 ladders for the basic professional Christmas light installer will get you what you need.